Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox jersey shirt. First, you'll need to understand the specific dimensions of Roblox's shirt template to ensure your design fits perfectly. It's crucial to use a good image editing software, such as Photoshop or GIMP, for precise work. Remember, your final image file must be a PNG with a transparent background. This is essential for the shirt to display correctly in-game. Now, let's get creative. Begin by downloading the official Roblox shirt template. This provides the exact layout for your design. Carefully add your chosen colors, unique logos, and any text you want to include. Remember to pay close attention to all sections: the front, the back, and both sleeves. Each part needs your artistic touch to make your jersey truly stand out in the Roblox world. Once your design is perfect, it's time to bring it into Roblox. Head over to the Create section on the Roblox website. From there, you'll select Shirts found under My Creations, then click the Choose File button. Upload your finished PNG file, making sure it's the correct one, and give your awesome new shirt a memorable name. Almost done. Now you can set a price for your jersey in Robux. A common starting point is 5 Robux or more. It's super important to ensure your shirt strictly adheres to all of Roblox's community guidelines to avoid any issues. Finally, always test your new shirt in-game to double-check for any unexpected design flaws or alignment problems before making it widely available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.